G19 PoC Radio User Guide. Before powering on, insert the SIM card into the walkie-talkie. Open the lock buckle. Place the SIM card inside. Close the buckle. Install the battery. Then long press the return key to power on. Below is the download QR code for Oddmaster, the supporting app for G19. Register an account and log in afterwards. Tap Talk. Tap Devices. Tap the plus icon at the bottom. Then choose G19. Scan the QR code displayed on the walkie-talkie screen after startup. You may customize the device name, then tap Save to finish binding.
G19 logs join group device management group.
Tap Talk. Tap Add Friends in the upper right corner to enter your friend's ID, or scan their QR code to add friends. Tap New Group in the upper right corner. Enter a group name and add members. Then tap Create to complete group setup. Import the created group to your G19 afterward. Operations within the app group. Full call, press side shortcut key 1 to open the group list. Select a group and hold the PTT key to talk. Group call, press side shortcut key 2 to open the member list. Select multiple contacts and short press PTT1 to confirm for simultaneous calls to all selected members. Single call, access the member list the same way. Select the contact you want to reach, and short press PTT1 to start a one-on-one conversation.